Hi everybody, welcome back to Grandpa's Garage. Well, I got the heater out of the side-by-side because this terminal got all loose and wonky, so I want to take it apart, have a look inside. Now we'll get that out in a minute. I don't think that's supposed to be like that. This one is nice and tight and right, so let's take the cover off and see what we got in here. Hopefully we can find something that I can tighten. It keeps the windshield defrosted and does put a bit of heat into the cab, but I'm thinking something else is going on in here. We'll have a look. It's a dual fan job. I mean, it does blow. So I don't know if this is going to just lift off. I'm going to take these off too. That's not going to lift off if that's attached though, is it? Let's get another screwdriver here. Red Robbie. Oh, everything is stiff here today. Come on, you dirty bugger. Okay, things aren't going well here. Fighting the tools too, eh? Okay. Not wanting to come out. There we go. Get down. Let's get another screwdriver. No shortage of screwdrivers. It's taking a bit of a break from the 78 Ford. These were self-tapping screws. I pounded in here. They seem to do the trick. Come on, you dirty bugger. Couple more here. I think that these are insulators as well. Why so loose all of a sudden, this one? And it allowed the wire to get really hot. Oh, looky here. What do we got? There's the problem. Look at that bugger. There's a double nut inside and it backed off. This is the problem here, Batman. So I gotta... Is this one tight? I think. I should have brought those wrenches back in. I knew it. 3/8, 7/16, I'm not sure. Oh dear. looking a guy. It's not a 3/8. Definitely not a 3/8. I believe it was a 10. There's a 9. What do we got in here? Nothing. Can never find a 10. They're not 7/16. There's an 11. Okay. Okay. Just gotta tighten this. When in doubt, ship it out. No idea how that loosened up unless it was loose right from the factory. Okay, where did that other insulator go? So it was making contact, but it was loosey-goosey. Now this got shoved in too far. Gonna try and get him back out. Like that. So that goes in there. Tighten that Jesus thing right the hell in there. So the whole thing is tight. Tight and tight. Good. Gudenha. Well, which way do these go? Were they on the inside or the outside? I'm thinking they were. I can't remember. They were on the inside. Jim Bob. And we can put these little buggers. One banana. Two. Boy, they didn't splurge on the hardware. Tiny little screws. This will make the heater work better. Not so loose. I'm hoping. Okay. All right. Now we got to put, which one was where? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. They were right there. Isn't that funny? You know what I did? I put this on the wrong way around. I did. It's got to go tether away because the holes aren't lining up. If I drill more holes, screws will be loose. Like so. Wait just a gall darn minute here. They go down farther. Yeah, you idiot. Stupid guy. Why you didn't tell me that? I don't know. Can't watch everything. That's more gooder. Oh yeah, now we're factory. Now things are making sense, Grandpa. Now these sons of guns. I need to put these on with a gun, don't I? Pardon-moi. Okay. Like that. Like that. Yes, sir. Everything is tight and right here. So we should be golden. All right. I'll get back to you. See how this thing's working. Bye for now.